trying the spicy dumplings things. I don't know how to say it. Basically, they're these. Also, guys, let me just move this. Look at my hair. Look at the shine on that. Like, I am not joking you. I use this product, Beauty Works. I try not to do that. I haven't done anything but dry my hair. Look at that. Like, I'm sorry. If you want to see the video, go on my TikTok Finds account. I try not to do too much on this one because I don't want it to be like all TikTok shop. Do you know what I mean? But yeah. Anywho, these are the spicy ones. So we're going to put, what we're going to do, I didn't really know what to do with these ones. So we're going to put some soy sauce, whatever it's called, in here. Then we're going to do some Kewpie mayo, because I did buy that for the dumplings because it does actually taste better. Why does it always, like, the sauces actually hate me? So get that on there. Then I've got some Hoisin sauce, because I'm putting this on spice, but I like it, so we're gonna go with it. Get that on there. There is actually, like, loads of people do different stuff. I saw some people tag me in, like, and then crispy onion. Oh my god, that was a lot. Crispy onions. I saw people tag me in the cheese on it, but I don't think I'd like the cheese on it. Anyway, that is what it looks like. Oh god, I should have a clip in my hair, but let's have a little taste, shall we? They've got a little kick. They've got a little kick. I wouldn't say they're spicy though. I think I just prefer, like, the pork ones and stuff. There's a little bit of spice in my mouth, but Anyway, guys, what did you have for tea? If you didn't have anything, have something. Something's better than nothing. Also, when you guys, will you have a whole packet? Or will you just take out some? And you know, when I do my pasta videos and I just put whatever on them because oh my god. I went down the wrong way. Anyway, my pasta videos. I feel like I pissed off the Italians and they're, like, so insulted by it, but why? One, I can do what I want. Two, there's no rule books and stuff. Granted, it's weird, I get it, but they're like, oh, my Italians have left the chat, blah blah blah. I'm like, right, I'm half Sicilian, does that count for anything? Probably not, but doesn't really matter. Like, it is what it is, guys. Don't take events too much. Look at that. It's like a little boat. I feel like people sometimes just moan for no reason. And that's fine. You can. It's an app. We put ourselves out there. Everyone's got their opinion. I just don't really care, I guess. Oh well, it is what it is. Back to these. I wouldn't say they're my favourite. I wouldn't get these ones again. I would just stick to the pork ones or the Korean barbecue. They're alright, but I wouldn't get this flavour again. Have a good evening.